How to make rules for Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, click on your server and click at the top, which will lead you to server settings. Click on server settings and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, simply scroll down. Scroll down in the left side till you find enable community. Click on it and then click on get started. After that, click on verified email required. Scroll down and scan media content from all members and press on next. In here, you can select create one for me or just add the rules and press on next. Scroll down and click on I agree and understand and click on finish setup. After you've clicked on finish setup, you're good to go. Scroll up and then in moderation you'll find safety setup. Click on DM and spam protection edit. In here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You need to turn on all the setup. You'll also find members must accept rules before they can talk or DM. Click on setup in here. After you click on setup and then turn this on, you can also describe your rules and then you're good to go. This is how to make rules for Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for joining.